to Chris Graphics tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can open PLP files with your Pixellab application. PLP files actually that relates to Pixellab. Actually, they are files that you can open with Pixellab and edit them. All right, so someone can send those files to you. You can download them and just open and edit. So how do you open these files is what I'm going to show you today. All right, so before we go into the main tutorial, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right away. Hit the like button if you like what you're going to see, and very importantly, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any new upload. All right, what you have noted is this: we upload videos every week, every Friday 10 a.m. on the dot. New videos are uploaded on this channel, videos that will help improve your skills on both smartphone graphics design and laptops design using softwares like 𝗘𝗩𝗘𝗏, Photoshop, and all of that. All right, so hit the subscribe button if you've not. All right, thank you very much for doing that. We are moving right away into the video tutorial, the main tutorial for today. All right, so before you can open PLP files, you must first of all have them downloaded or sent to you already. All right, they are going to be saved in a particular folder, whether it's from the web. If it's on the web, most likely it's supposed to be saved in your downloads. All right, if someone sends to you maybe from WhatsApp, it's going to be on WhatsApp, maybe as WhatsApp documents. It's going to be on Xender, maybe others. All right, so depending on the folder that that particular PLP file is saved, you just need to navigate to it. So how do you start? All right, so this is where you click first of all these three dots here at the right top corner of the application. You click those three dots. I believe you can see where I just this is the three dots I'm talking about. So you click those three dots up there, and then you have to navigate to open PLP file. So click it. When you click it, you are now going to come to this .plp. So this is the place you're going to click this sign here, .plp. So once you click it, it's going to take you to your file manager. All right, so first of all, let me show you something here. All right, you can see my folders, many of them are here. You can see these folders over here. So you need to know the particular folder. So if it's from downloads, if you downloaded it, and if your phone saves your downloaded folder in downloads, then you have to navigate to like mine. You have to navigate to downloads, check download. Okay, download. You click download. All right, the PLP files I have already there in my download. Okay, so I'm going to open the first one. All right, so if look at this, open only, open and add. So if you open only, it's going to be opened, then you can edit and just save as an image. But if you open and add, you're going to open it and it's going to be added to your projects over here. You can see some of the projects on the background already. You can see them already, so it's going to be added. You can as well open only and then save as projects. It's still going to come here. All right, so that is just what you need to understand. Okay, let's click open only. All right, so it's open. You just click backspace, and you can see the design over here. So this is the design. Most of the stuffs here are locked. You can unlock them and then change them as you want to change, or whatever you want to do to them, you can change. All right, you can see. So you can write whatever you want to write. Let's say hey. Okay, so it's going to, all right, there's nothing like birthday. All right, I'm just trying to show you something. Okay, so I'm going to open another one, the second one, so that you see that this is real. Okay, so open. Yes, I'm going to lose those. Just trying to show you something. Okay, you can see. All right, so you can see. All right, so this is a template for you. You can just write what you want to write, do what you want to do, and it's going to just give you you can just save it, and that's just going to be all. If you need these templates, you can reach out to me. I'll send them to you via WhatsApp. All right, thank you for watching. Have a good time.